This stoplight is taking forever. Get too hard. When is it gonna be my my turn? Hi guys, it's your girl Natalie, and I am starving. So we're going to get some Jamaican food because I didn't cook and I'm starving. So let's see what I could get. I'm thinking about either like oxtails or curry chicken. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. It's Saturday. I don't have work today, but I work tomorrow. I think I really want curry chicken. And I might just get a large because I feel like cooking tomorrow. So if I get a large, I can eat some tonight and then I can eat some tomorrow. You're probably wondering why I don't have a seatbelt on. Bad habit. Don't follow me and don't learn how to drive from me because I am the worst driver ever. Well, I'm a good driver, but I'm not really good at teaching other people. So yeah. I live like 2 minutes away from the Jamaican spot. I go there like once a week when I don't feel like cooking. It's about 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm about to get some popping oxtails. Be at home today doing nothing, cleaning, if anything, cleaning and relaxing. Maybe I might find a movie to watch. I try to watch like 5 movies a week to catch up on all my movies that I've been missing. So yeah, I see the restaurant. And there's no parking, as usual. I don't really want to park far. I don't have a jacket on. Oh, he's coming out. Wait for this guy. Oh, he's coming out too. They're all coming out. Well, come on out. I'm not in your way, am I? Go ahead. I suck at parking. Let's see if I get this. Oh, I got it! Which is the first time because I never fucking get it. Alright, let's go get this food. Alright, so I ended up getting curry chicken and white rice because they didn't have no oxtails. But that's okay because it was my second choice, so I'm not mad. It's fine. By the way, wait. Hold on. Let's talk about this hair. This is my straight hair from Natalie's Virgin Bundles. This is 2 bundles of 36, 2 bundles of 34, and a 22-inch closure. So let's just get into this. Let's get into this. Y'all don't... Oh, okay. So if you're looking for some straight fleeky hair, I got it, okay? But anyway, I got curry chicken and white rice. And I got me a cake. I think this is coconut cake. It was like $2, so I said, you know what, just throw it in. I love cake. But that's my dessert. Let's get into the main course. Woo! I got a large because I'm probably gonna eat some today. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge and eat the rest tomorrow. Smart. Y'all see this? Oh my gosh. This. Just open this. Let's open this. Okay. You see this? It's legit. A little spicy, but it works. It's hot. It's hot as in spicy, but hot like it's hot. If you never tried curry chicken, you need to try it. It's good. So basically it's just white rice with chicken, curry, chicken, a little bit of gravy, some potatoes. They asked me if I want like vegetables, but I'm past. Vegetables is nasty to me, so I'll just eat this. Got this Mystic mango carrot. Y'all can see, because it's a little spicy. I feel like drinking this, it takes away from the spiciness of the curry chicken. You know what's crazy? My mom and dad cook this at home like all the time, me growing up, because, you know, I am Jamaican. So my mom and dad cook this all the time growing up. But like ever since I moved down my house, well, my parents' house, I be so busy I can't really cook, so I buy food a lot. But it's not like 100% junk food, right? It's a little healthy. I got some potatoes in there. Maybe not vegetables, but potatoes. And they're a little healthy. Oh, this is good. It don't taste like my mom's, but it's alright. Usually when I go to that store, I get oxtails, but today they didn't have any for some reason. My best friend, she likes this restaurant, but she says like, what did they have? Oh, it was stewed chicken, and she was like how it was nasty. So because the stewed chicken was nasty, she don't never go back there. But listen, I ain't never had no bad food from there yet, so I'm continue eating from there because it's 5 minutes away from my house and it's good. I'm like an hour away from my parents' house, so I don't get to eat cooked food often. I live too far. And You know, nobody cooks like your mom and your dad. So if my mom called me and said she's cooking, I'm driving over there. I'm not gonna miss me a meal. And I'm a girl who loves to eat, so. Let's get into this chicken. You see this? Ooh. Look inside. Let's get into that. It's good. I'm not exaggerating. It's good. Got my napkin. Alright, let me finish eating this. And I will see you guys my next video. So stay tuned, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later.